Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Christmas food gifts is probably one of the most exciting and delicious ways to spread holiday cheer, especially when you can make them EBT eligible, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the festive spirit without breaking the bank, making it a truly inclusive and heartwarming season for all your loved ones. Number 5. Popcornopolis Gourmet Popcorn Cone, 12 pk. Introducing the Popcornopolis Gourmet Popcorn Cone, a delightful treat for any occasion. This pack offers a variety of delicious flavors to satisfy every craving. Explore a world of taste with our assorted flavors. From the sweet and salty zebra to the savory cheddar cheese, and the classic caramel and kettle corn, there's something for everyone. Looking for the perfect gift? These gourmet popcorn cones are beautifully presented and make a thoughtful present for friends, family, or colleagues. Share the joy of delicious popcorn with this convenient 12-pack. It's ideal for parties, movie nights, or simply enjoying with loved ones. Elevate your snacking experience with our premium gourmet popcorn. Each cone is packed with flavor and made with high-quality ingredients for a truly satisfying bite. What we like? This option offers a delightful variety of gourmet popcorn flavors, perfect for satisfying different tastes. Each cone is individually wrapped, making it easy to share or gift. If you're looking for a crowd-pleasing treat that's both fun and delicious, this is a fantastic choice for parties or as a movie night snack. What people say. This immediately did not disappoint. I was becoming a little worried based on some of the specific reviews of the cheddar, but when I found just the flavor combo I was searching for, and I cannot overstate the freshness. It was the perfect size and variety of flavors. I used them to complement the wedding favors and everyone enjoyed it. Great mix of flavors, and never disappointed with this brand. Very few to no inedible pieces kernels in each cone. Number 4. Nut Cravings Mother's Day Dried Fruit and Mixed Nuts Gift Basket. Show your appreciation this Mother's Day with a delightful gift. It's a thoughtful way to celebrate the special women in your life. This beautiful arrangement features 12 different assortments of dried fruits and mixed nuts. Each bite offers a unique and satisfying flavor experience. Indulge in a healthy snack option that's also incredibly delicious. It's a treat you can feel good about giving and receiving. Presented in an elegant red tower and adorned with a charming heart ribbon. This gift is as visually appealing as it is tasty. Enjoy peace of mind with this kosher-certified gift basket. It's a wholesome choice for everyone to savor. For those who love nuts, this is the ultimate care package. It's packed with variety and flavor to satisfy any craving. What we like? This selection provides a nutritious blend of dried fruits and mixed nuts, making it a wholesome choice for snacking. It's also kosher-certified, catering to specific dietary needs. If you're seeking a healthy yet indulgent gift for someone who appreciates nutritious options, this tower is an excellent way to show you care. What people say. The holiday snack tower is both festive and tasty. The mix of dried fruits and nuts is fresh and flavorful, making it perfect for gifting or enjoying at home. The packaging is attractive and makes it feel special for the season. A convenient, delicious way to celebrate the holidays and share a thoughtful treat with friends or family. Even without photos or video, the quality and selection in the set make it a reliable, meaningful gift that brings joy year after year. Number 3. Thames and Kosmos Candy Chemistry Science Kit. Discover the sweet science behind your favorite treats with this exciting kit. You can make rock candy, chocolates, gummy bears, and more, all while learning about chemistry. Dive into the fascinating world of science as you explore concepts like specific heat, temperature, and crystallization. It's a delicious way to understand complex ideas. Unleash your creativity by choosing your own ingredients to personalize your candy. Make each creation uniquely yours. Once your delicious candies are ready, you can decorate them with colorful foils, paper cups, and wrappers. Present your edible masterpieces in style. This kit includes a comprehensive 48-page full-color manual to guide you through every experiment. Learn chemistry and have fun with easy-to-follow instructions. Perfect for aspiring young scientists aged 10 and above. It's a fantastic way to combine learning with a love for sweets. What we like? This kit turns candy making into a fun science experiment, allowing for creative customization of flavors and designs. It's a great way to learn about chemistry principles through engaging activities. If you're looking for an educational and interactive gift for a curious young mind, this kit offers hours of fun and learning. What people say. She loved it and her 13-year-old cousin even got in on it and asked for her own. I will be ordering her one as well. The instruction book that comes with the set is very user-friendly, and although some of the information in it was a bit oversimplified for my 5th grader, she still learned a lot. It comes with a great booklet with lots of reading about how the science of cooking works, liquid to solid, condensation, etc. The recipe were all easy to follow and fun to eat. Number 2. Christmas Gift Basket 6-Tier Indulgence Nuts Gift Basket Tower. Looking for the perfect holiday surprise? This impressive tower is filled with a delightful assortment of gourmet snacks and nuts, ready to be enjoyed. Standing 6 tiers high, it offers a generous selection of treats. Each level is packed with delicious items to satisfy any craving. Discover a variety of premium snacks and high-quality nuts carefully chosen for their exceptional taste. It's a true indulgence for the senses. Make this Christmas unforgettable with a gift that keeps on giving. It's a thoughtful and delicious way to show you care. Whether for him or her, this gift basket is sure to impress. It's a universally loved present that brings joy and flavor. Spread cheer this season with this abundant collection of festive treats. It's ideal for sharing with loved ones or enjoying yourself. What we like. This impressive multi-tier tower is packed with a variety of gourmet nuts and snacks, offering a luxurious gifting experience. Its festive Christmas theme makes it an ideal present for the holiday season. If you want to impress with a generous and varied selection of high-quality treats, this is perfect for gifting to loved ones or colleagues. What people say. She said there was so many she will share at her retirement home. Little boxes but fancy packaging and yummy contents. Comes already set up in the tier mode with a ribbon holding it together. Number 1. Gourmet Cravings Indulgence 6-Tier Gift Basket. Introducing a delightful gift tower, perfect for any occasion. It's a multi-tiered surprise packed with treats. Inside, you'll find a selection of fresh nuts and gourmet snacks. Each layer offers a new and exciting flavor to explore. This is the ultimate indulgence for anyone with a craving for something special. It's designed to satisfy every taste bud. Looking for a great gift present? This food basket set is ideal for both men and women. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. Standing tall with 6 tiers, this gift set is as impressive to look at as it is to eat. It's a truly memorable present. Prepare to unwrap a world of flavor with this exquisite gift basket. It's a culinary journey waiting to be discovered. What we like. This gift set features a delightful assortment of fresh nuts and gourmet snacks, presented in an elegant tower for a touch of indulgence. It's a versatile option suitable for various occasions and recipients. If you're searching for a sophisticated and satisfying gift that appeals to a wide range of tastes, this indulgence tower is an excellent choice for anyone. What people say. Beautiful, as pictured, arrived in time. Perfect gift for my mom that is in nursing home. Looks amazing under the tree, comes just a picture looks too. It arrived pre-assembled in a tower shape with ribbon just like it's pictured and it was a hit. I sent it to 2 different people and both were impressed with the design and snacks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.